So children, today let's do a very easy and fun craft activity. For this activity, we need one green paper for the background and any two different colored small pieces of paper, glue, scissors, a black marker and pencil. So let's start. We are going to do two hens playing together on a ground. So first of all, we need to make circle. So for that you can do freehand or you can use any bangle or something to trace it out. I'm just keeping it like this and I'm tracing a circle. Similarly, on another color paper, we'll do the same. Now, let's cut it out using a scissor. Let's be careful with the scissor and let's go slow. Another one also we will cut in the same way. Now, we will just draw beak on a red paper. One and one more. As it's going to be very small, so we don't have to use full sheet. Any small piece of paper we'll use and we will cut it out. So here we have two beaks. We will also create comb of the hen. So we'll just fold a small piece of red paper like this and we will draw on the top of one paper. So when we cut it out, we get two in one cutting itself. So because this is folded this way, so when we cut it, we will get two of them and we can just cut it from the middle. So let's stick these using the Favy stick. We can simply stick them very easily. So we don't need to apply lots of glue, just little bit glue we will apply and we'll stick it here, and on another one also we'll do the same. Let's stick the beak too one by one. Now next step, we just need to draw one line from the middle because this is the circle, if this is the center. So we'll just draw one radius, if you can say, one line like this. And similarly in the another one too, one radius like this. And then we need to make a cut here. In both the hens we will do the same. And next we just need to fold it like this. Both we will do folding like this. So it looks much like the feather of the hen that we have created. Now next, let's simply stick this on the green paper background. So we don't need to apply glue everywhere. We will apply glue in the middle and we will stick it like this. Let's keep it a bit tilted. And similarly in the another one, we will apply glue and we will stick it like this. Let's press it firmly for few seconds so that it sticks properly. Now next, let's draw some feathers like this on both the hens. Like this, and let's draw two feet too. So one and two. Let's keep it simple and easy here, like this. Now for the eyes, we can just use two googly eyes. And if you don't have the googly eyes, you can create it using a white paper too. So we just need to cut a small white paper and using a black marker, we can just make the inside black circle. So these two hens playing together are ready. Now let's just draw some grasses and flowers around. Using a red marker, we can draw some flowers at some places. So children, we have done this craft activity very easily using the two circle cutouts and some drawings on it. We will connect again with more interesting and fun craft activities. Till then, bye-bye.